Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need the essentials first: an iPhone with Siri on and a good Apple-certified cable. Park the car and set ignition to accessory. Once ready, unlock your iPhone and plug it into the Sync 3 USB port labeled for media. On the Sync screen, tap the smartphone or CarPlay icon when it appears. This initiates the wired CarPlay handshake. Make sure you allow connection prompts on the phone because that permission completes the link. Once the basic handshake happens, you must accept prompts on both devices. Tap Allow on the iPhone and Accept on Sync 3. If CarPlay doesn't appear, check the phone's CarPlay settings and add the vehicle. Then customize app layout in Settings General CarPlay so your navigation and audio apps appear where you want them. If Sync lacks CarPlay, download the Ford Updater and apply the firmware update from a formatted USB drive. Finish by testing core functions. Call Siri, start navigation, play audio, and use steering wheel buttons to confirm command routing. Once satisfied, set CarPlay as default input on Sync so it connects automatically next time. Make quick adjustments to app placement for one-tap access. If something goes wrong, first try a different Lightning cable and a different USB port. Restart your iPhone and Sync. One key troubleshooting tip: check iPhone screen time restrictions. If CarPlay is blocked, enable it to restore connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.